Oh, yeah, yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures.
Back at it again.
He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my soul. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes a lover though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry,
Man, we have bad up some food in idea, you know. Before we touch out on the hustle, you know.
Love to watch you come and go in the times the heavens flow. Echo and walk around the shadow of death. Our fear no evil, 'cause Jah is with me. Rather than stop, they comfort me. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you always know you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad.
You know. Free of them.
Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us make our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from.
This is some pork chops, you know.
Here I come again, Jaja. Before your presence we stand. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us make our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, for the show is the way to go. You'll never stop and feed my enemies. I'm gonna do it. Well, that shouldn't take a grudge and I won't. Not even for a minute. Let all the truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, so without you we can make it. Now watch over our shoulders tonight and help us speak our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from. All the show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings. See me through all the things. You lifted me when I was down. Now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us speak our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from. For the show us the way to go. How excellent is thy name. Deliver us from sin and shame. Out of the mountain, babe, and supple in you are ordained strength. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. You're the only way. God, be deep. With you I wanna stay. Please don't go away, Lord. Lord, watch over shoulders tonight and help us leave our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, for the show us the way to go. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Mama Africa. Oh, I'm feeling inspired and I hope you'll find me. Hello, Mama Africa. I hope you
Yeah, man, thanks for the follow, you know. Prince Dixie, big up yourself. The top chef in the kitchen, you see me? Make sure you now click the like button where I cook some nice food right now. Camera don't want to stay. You see me? Big up for the like. You see me? I say make sure you now follow the page. You see me? I say the top chef. The Jamaican bad chef. Look at that. Just make it go and slow cook. You see me? I say, look at that. The man at the top chef we in the kitchen today where I make some pork chops with some gungo peas with some rice. You see me? I say, you know, so we are going to put some butter bean in it. These are the coconut milk butter beans, you know. Put some butter beans in it, cook it down with some onion, tomatoes, some garlic. The man at the top chef, man. Look at that now. I make some pork chops, you know what I mean? I'm making pork chops with some gungo peas and, you know what I mean?
So stop drinking boring beer and start living dangerously today.
Big up yourself, you know. Glenisha, bless up yourself, big up, you know. Cover it with a cook in the meantime, you see me? I say while it a fry, you see me? Give it a better fry than you see me? I say? So it's easier to cook down after. Yeah man, Glenisha, big up yourself man. It tastes good too, you know what I mean? Sound good, but it tastes good, you know what I say? Big up yourself. Big up for the roses, you know? Yeah man, you know, like and follow the thing, you see me? At the top chef. Yeah man. At the top chef, you know say every day we in the kitchen, you know. Most days. So brown it up a little bit, you see me? I say, see, after I brown up now, we're going to cook it down, you see me? Potato and a thing there. The man are brown up now, you see me? Put them back in the plate. You're one of the top chefs now, you don't know a thing there, no? Yo, Bev, big up yourself, you know. Thanks to the roads, you know, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, of the top chef, man. You see me, we are cook some pork chops today, you know. Play some music and go and vibes out the evening. You know, when I come from work. All who go up and work, big up on myself, same way. But the top chef in the kitchen right now. I go work later in the night. You see me, I say night shift. Look at that. But your belly have to full before you do all of them things there. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we don't do restaurants, you know. We don't do restaurants. We cook food. Sherry Williams, big up, thanks for the follow. You know what I mean? Welcome to the kitchen, you know. The man of the top chef, you know what I mean? For all the Jamaican recipes. Link up the top chef, you know. Alright. Yeah, man, we're there in our kitchen, you know. Three of your pimento seed. Pimento, you know. You can either crush it or put it in whole. Give enough flavor, you know. Enough of them pimento you may use to shell out in a Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, the top chef one.
Introducing zero sugar hydration. Now that's smart. Liquid IV. Now it's sugar free.
Taking advantage.
Yeah, man, the top chef there in the kitchen, you know. Yo, Glow, big up yourself, you know, the thing go. You know how we flow. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we are the top chef, man. You see me, I say? Welcome to the kitchen, man. You know the thing go. You see me, I say? I make some pork chops and some gungo peas with rice, you know what I mean? But we are cook the peas right now over the side there. Right now we are going brown up there. Or that, the pork chops, make it brown. And then we cook it down with some butter bean in it and put some butter bean in it, you see me? With some onion and carrot and potatoes and you know what I mean? Some pimento beans. Yeah man, I'm the top chef man, you see me? Yeah man. So we are gonna do now is when them they brown up and ready now. When them they ready, we are gonna just we are gonna cook it down in some water with this. When you cook down like a 20 minutes, then you add the butter bean to finish it off, you know what I mean? Yeah man, at the top chef man. Make sure you know I follow the page, you know. Yeah man, at the top chef man. Big up for the like, you know, like up the screen man. Double tap the screen while you're watching. Make it reach out there, you know. Show them say we are the real top chef around here. Yeah man, you're in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna go and look on it a little bit. You see me? When you make it get brown up and nice, you see me? Jesus Christ in the skinny character, no come as a lamb to the slaughter. Head cook and back to watch a bull buck and up the conqueror. Alpha and Omega, a Karamakaya, Machanti, yeah! Rastafari, liberty in the heart of fire night, yeah! Lightning God, yeah! Thunder God and earthquake God, yeah! Rastafari, King highly. Good. My eyesight. Baby, don't worry. So you are going to know, you are going to throw some of the oil, you see me? I don't know on the oil, you are not gravy now. Alright. Then back into the pot. Add a little water to this now. That go and cook down, you see me I say? That's all you want. Go and cook down. Turn up the stove on high.
Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. One low brother man say Rasta. Who goes? It must be Jaja.
Mr. Biggs, big up yourself, you know, thanks for the follow. Yo, Leela, thanks for the follow, you don't know the thing, go. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. And the top chef. Alright, this way I've left it, no? Work on that. Maybe we'll left save this. So we had the seasoning there. Go on, look at salt for there. You see me?
Many know the truth and hide it. Many feeling the vibes and try to avoid it. But the truth must be revealed. And oh my God is real. Christ in his kingly character. 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 Christ in his king.
Me and my best friend Amy went to Edinburgh.
We stayed with Tessa, this incredible artist.
The room that we stayed in, there is a sort of dreamish element running through.
It makes you feel like you're in a little storybook or something.
New Harvest Fresh refrigerators from Beko. We believe
Yeah man, so we are going to wait for the peas done now, you see me? And test them out. I am living. Father, I will pray. He's cooking, huh? Can't find the can opener now, so we are going to build a can opener, you know? Okay. Opportunity, as years come at the day. In this time I say, when mama spend her last and send you a class, never you ever play. It's a competitive world for low budget people. Got that rice pot, isn't it? some pork chops in my beer, you know.
Rich man's wealth is in the city.
Get that one bubble.
Destruction of the poor is his poverty.
That's some rice and peas that going over here, something. Go on.
Destruction of your soul is vanity. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You, yeah. I wanna rule my destiny.
Keep the time in there.
I wanna rule my destiny. Whoa, destiny. Mama, look from when you call me. Destiny. Mama, look from when you call me. I wanna rule my destiny. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I wanna rule my destiny. Oh, me, Lord. I love God so much, they keep fighting me. I'm not giving up. Their realms of Zion fill my spiritual hope. Wisdom overstanding must never be too much. Give I protection day and night from even the pestilence that walk in the daylight. Destiny, Mama, look from when you calling. Destiny, Mama, look from when you calling.
One of the top chef, man. I feel the pot chef. Soon it to the pot. Yeah, man. Yeah, Lavanja, big up for the badge, you know. Big up yourself. Thanks for the rose, you know the thing go. Yeah man, we're there, I bought up some food, you know, want to see what I go on? See that? Look at that, for the top chef. Yeah man, real Jamaican seasoning and flavor down in that, you see me? Yeah, we'll finish it off with some butter bean, you see me? Yeah man, look at that, me I cook some pork chops. You see me I say? Pork chops with some rice and gungo peas. You see me I say? Y'all call it pigeon peas or something like that in America. You know, but this is gungo peas and rice with some pork chops, you know what I mean? With butter beans inside, you know what I mean? Yeah man, big up yourself. So now we have this one boil long good, you know? It's not just peas, but we put coconut. We season it already with some thyme and then thing there, isn't it? So let that one boil up a little bit and then we are going to add the rice. Look at that. You see me I say? Come on, man. Yeah, we're done with them now. Put them away. Yeah, this one left to go inside.
you cannot feel like tomorrow. You're inside for the alone. How long you feel to take a life? I tell you no.
Turn down the rice pot, you know. I got add the rice inside. Alright, to the rice, yeah. Isn't it? So we are gonna wash your rice, guys. You know, wash your rice. So you go. Tell me now. Sorry, Father, soon come. Yeah, man, we're there in the kitchen, you know. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel also, you know what I mean? The link is in the bio. You will see these videos over there. You know what I mean? If you want a recap and cook this food, it's all there over there, you know? Flip them a little bit, but you don't know the thing gonna love how it looks so nice and thin right now.
Almighty God, ruler of creation, my and army of the wrong. He got open, not knowing, not God, for my God is love. He wants that is who will always be.
My beer come out, I come give it to you. This one is early, bro. Yeah, man, at the top chef, man, we in the kitchen, you know. Look at that. You look so good. Yeah, man, me I wash the rice right now. You see me? You want to see how I go on? Turn down your stove. Patience, the adapter.
is a rebel, touch you for yes. Feel far up your blood, seeing you walk away, in my eyes in smoke. You're traceable, kibble. All the man that after you, they claim you do something they just can't explain to the brain. Yeah, man shouldn't have no complaint. Oh no, this one is called love or choice.
Yo.
Yeah,
know. The deal them sinking and soak up the gravy, isn't it?
this one is called love or choice. Never know you would have really feel so nice, last but I don't want
No, see what going on, man. No, see what going on over there, sir. Look at that.
This is your first and last.
I am moving like a nuclear. It's your worry to people to find a new gear, but you're moving like a nuclear. It's your worry to people to break it apart.
Well tender.
I'm not to them yesterday. I'm last year. Sometime in there, so you know me must be clear. I'm way fast like
yeah, man.
the atmosphere because me moving.
Think bad, man.
Like a nuclear.
See that? Look at that. Well tender and nice. Yeah, very nice when the rice done and trouble. You see me? You turn down your store, you see
love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me browning. Some of me can't me love me buy me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me browning. Pamela and Susan and Nadine wanna what the whole vibe of them thinking. Them a plan and them a con and them a scheme, cause them want much of me and me browning.
Make sure you now follow the page, you know, the Top Chef, you know, we live, you know. Yeah, man. Food, bad, man. Nice and thing, man.
We don't stop crying. We are not commando. Respect all the girls them without compassion, but you don't stop crying. We are not commando. One of the things I want to look compassion. Represent the who know about it. One in a million. I've been from the birth and natural son. But I need to get the true and lose your lotion. Take care of your complexion. Where I get you, where I get you, where the whole of them are gone. Don't get them down because we love you, come on, we don't stop crying. We are not commando. Respect all the girls them without complexion. We don't stop crying. We are not commando. Nothing's about me, who know complexion. I want you to get it, I want you to buy it from me.
Mostly chocolate milk. They said I tried that at Springfield. It's perfectly good.
Yeah, man, make sure you now follow the page too, you know. Cause the Top Chef not playing in the kitchen, you know. Look at that. Look at, yo. Oh my God, I wish you guys were here, man. You know what I mean? To taste it.
T-Mobile knows
Yeah,
whether
man.
you break down in the middle of nowhere or get a flat tire, and someone, people everywhere trust AAA to get them.
Everything you did, man. 100% of love you and forget you hear me. Woman who worry things more than curry. And be at your service, so in honor me, and than no bother fret. Come out for it for sweat. The rise of blood pressure cause instant death. What you mean up your man and everything they take to make.
Yo, man of greatness. Big up yourself, you know, respect to the follower, you know, the top chef, you know. You know the thing there, you know. But
watch this, Barris. I send songs.
oh, you want to see what I go on? Look at that. Yo, Lisa, big up your name, Lisette. Big up yourself, you know. See it there? Look at that. Some pork chops, you know. At the top chef. Right now, this ready, you know. And the rice, man, wait pan. You see me? The rice pot, yeah. Store it up, cause you know, just put it in the rice. Make sure it's set properly, you know. One last stir and it's going to soak up everything. You see me? Turn down the meat stove because the meat done already, you know.
She's a friend, also a lover. That mean me not be shy. We express myself straight up to the sky. Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Me say, oh, say that big man don't cry. Now I'm falling in love all over again. It's only natural. How could I ever doubt that you were mine? But I'm falling in love all over again. As I said, how could I ever doubt that you were mine? Watch this. Woman on his arm, you sweet chat, and how you massage me back. It only have the sister John time I get that. Woman want affection, somebody feeling bad. Show me ignorance, we never understand. And when it take time out to show me love motion, I make you know we can't stop, can't respond. I am the greatest lover boy in on the island. More time you sleep, more time you quarrel. Hear me out, woman, I beg you understand. Give me the wisest man, the great King Solomon. Get what him picky and get a wrong bang. That's how he knows the truth. In the great Babylon, so it's if a girl say she don't have nobody come down, I know man no want that, then I go and go sit down. If a girl say she don't have nobody come down, I know man no want that, then I go and go sit down. You feel it down, girl your body done. You bleach out too much, so you old before you're young. You can't want me stop, but we not theater for that. We have a shout it out, love, my light on stop. Step on your body red, step on your body hot. Stop it man, use your body like a doormat. Watch me now, if a girl say she young and her body come down, I know man no want that, then I go and go sit down. If a girl say she young and her body come down, I know man no want that, then I go and go sit down. When you see them in a dance, them up, muggle the most, and the kids come out for all me not and drop and get home. Some of them a walk, some of them a muggle, and some of them a boss and them a
The man at the top chef, man, look at that. But we're gone there now, you see me? So until next time, we'll link again. Follow the page.